So Diane, you know how sometimes we have, more interesting clients?
Oh, yeah.
So we have a situation right now. We've got to get this guy packed up and moved out. He's got some rather odd things.
I've seen it all.
But have you really? To protect the identity of the guilty, we're not going to use real names here, but you know who we're talking about. This is the talk of Topeka, Topeka's favorite son. He oftentimes goes by Pen Cove Paul. So, Diane, I want to jump into this list of things. I went and visited the home. This guy wants out of Des Moines bad. But I went and looked at the home, and I wrote down a little list of the things he has. Maybe just give me your feedback on how we can get these things packed up.
Let's do it.
And organized. Okay, so the first thing was a life-sized brass statue of the captain from Gilligan's Island.
Got it. Done.
He's got 2 half-full 55-gallon drums of bioluminescent algae. Diane, do you have some experience with moving fine art?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, because I counted no less than 17 oil paintings of him on black velvet.
Well, if you just wrap the corners in bubble wrap, the art should travel just fine.
He's got 9 sets of the complete collection of Rupert Holmes albums.
Oh, that's easy. Just put everything in a box and keep it square.
I think it was already pretty square. Guy's got a pallet full of splash potatoes. So the guy's got a lot of taxidermy. Plus, he's got this, I guess he calls it a pre-taxidermy peacock in a pen.
Put it in a box.
You're not a mechanic, I understand. You are a home organization professional. We've got a situation, this guy has this dumpy old van. I think it was called the Sandwich or something. I don't know, I think it was a failed attempt at a food truck, to be honest with you. But regardless, I think we need to just part this thing out, and maybe he wants to take it with him, but what do you think?
First rule in organization is take the junk to the dump.
So he's got a really odd vintage blender collection. Like, who collects blenders?
Actually, it's really funny that you say that because I just got my iPhone and it came in a box that looked like a blender, and when I opened it up, my iPhone was inside.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
That is magical and brilliant.
I know. I mean, this is sounding really foolish.
This episode was dedicated to you, Pen Cove Paul.
House goals realized. JanusGroup at RE/MAX Integrity.
It's a tooth!